Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'm going to make the easiest and the most delicious Thai Basil Stir Fry. Now I'm not able to find Thai holy basil, so I'm using Thai basil. You will also need garlic and Thai chili pepper. Depending on how spicy you want it, then you need to decide how many peppers you want to use. Feel free to use any cooking oil of your choice. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and also 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. This recipe will make 1 serving. I'm using 8 ounces of ground chicken thigh, or you can use pork, turkey, or beef. Add the peppers and garlic in a mortar and pestle. If you don't have that, you can just add it in a food processor and blend it all together. Now I have a blend of peppers here. I have Thai chili peppers and dry chili peppers. Now the spice level will depend on you. It's super important to prepare all your ingredients ahead of time because this dish comes together super quick. On medium-high heat, put in some cooking oil and then add in the garlic and the chili pepper. Now this is going to smoke up your house, so open the windows. I forgot to mention, if you're not able to find Thai basil, just use regular basil. I'm breaking up the ground chicken thigh with the aromatics of the pepper and the garlic. Continue to mix everything together. Right when the chicken thigh is about halfway cooked, that's when I'm going to add in the sauce. There is no need for salt since I'm going to use fish sauce. I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Continue to mix everything, making sure that the chicken thigh or your protein of choice is completely cooked all the way through. When the meat is cooked all the way through, add in the Thai basil and then stir the Thai basil with the ground chicken. Then you want to turn off the heat because the residual heat will cook down the Thai basil. I hope you enjoy my version of Thai Basil Stir Fry with chicken. It is so easy that anybody can make it at home. And you can also fry up an egg and place it on top of your Thai Basil Stir Fry. Now, if you make it, please let me know and tag me on Instagram, Cooking with Hua. I will have my social media link down below. Now, I'll be honest, I was just a little bit too lazy to fry an egg, so I just paired it with rice and some tomatoes because I ran out of cucumbers. I really hope you enjoy my Thai Basil Stir Fry with chicken. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Hua.